Mooshika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinashaka Pada Namaste
Mooshika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinashaka Pada Namaste. It is very simple. Mooshika Vahana, one who has the vehicle as mouse, Mooshika Vahana. Modaka Hasta, he always have Modaka in his hand, like you carrying lunch bags in your tiffin bags with for school. Modaka Hasta. Chamara Karna, he has such a big ears, which itself is a fan. Chamara Karna. Vilambita Sutra. He has the long sacred thread. Thread is Janivara. He has long one. Why it is long? Because Vamana Rupa. He is short. He is short by the nature. So the sutra is very long. Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra. He is the son of Parameshwara. Vigna Vinashaka. One who destroys all the obstacles in your path. So he destroys the obstacles. So we pray for him. We bow in front of him.